Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Tundra key fob battery. This easy guide will help you quickly replace a dead battery. You will need just a few simple tools, like a small flathead screwdriver or a coin, and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a well-lit area to work in, and let's get started. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button and slide out the emergency key. Now, look into the slot where the key was removed. You will see a small notch. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or a coin into this notch. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob casing should begin to separate easily. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to observe which way the positive side is facing, usually indicated by a plus sign. Use your small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side faces upwards. Press it firmly into place. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until you hear a secure click. Then, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot. Finally, test your key fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle to ensure everything is working perfectly. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.